go. Got some bad wear here. This whole side's got a lot of wear on it. Might have been around a kitchen table or something. And yeah, we're gonna clean this up and see what's wear and what is dirt. So let's hop to it. All right, so far I just cleaned this strip, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I've cleaned just that. I'm using the Haas 700 by Sapphire to make 700 passes a minute on the carpet, and works extremely well on these thick fluffy rugs. You got a fluffy one over there too, fluffy one here. And for these, I'm using our newest truck mount, which I can control the heat for. These are synthetic, so you don't want to go to 240. I have it set at 160, so it's being cleaned with hot water, but not extremely hot, because the foundation on some of these is still cotton, and it can be damaged or make the carpet ripple a lot when it goes to dry. So we're keeping the heat down, but we're using the chemistry to get all the dirt out. Agitation right here, extraction right here, dry passes right here. Gonna make 700 passes a minute. It's got 5 cleaning heads on there, and it just spins, does a fantastic job. So yeah, let me keep going on this and see how it turns out. All right, so all around the edge here, you can see, yeah, nice and clean. So we're gonna fill it in now and see how it looks. All right, done with the Haas on this synthetic rug. And it turned out absolutely amazing. I have to do some more dry passes on here just to pull more moisture out, and then get the fans on it. That's one of our commercial dehues running, because we have a bunch of rugs in here today. There's actually more rugs on the second floor of our shop, but ran out of room up there, so to keep things going, came down here, made some space for the rest of our shop. But this just turned out awesome. So yeah, awesome.